Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? In this video I'll be walking you through about Clockify, how it works, the pricing section, and I want to also let you understand the fact that they have a pro plan if of course you want to explore more features about Clockify, one of the most popular free time tracker for team works. And this software have been used by different industries, and you have a lot of features inside by scheduling project, auto tracker, calendar, timer, timesheet, chaos, report, invoicing, and expenses. So I'll be signing up on Clockify in this video, which is powered by cake.com, and also walk you through from one section to another, and so you can actually understand how to use this software to manage your project as well as your team. So then we'll also look into the benefit of why you should use Clockify in your business. Then you can just choose what you actually want to go in with. And also I'll be creating more videos around Clockify on how to actually use each section, which maybe you may not want to watch the whole video about how Clockify actually works, but then you just want to fix a certain issue that you are actually having on Clockify. So that video will definitely help you. So I will link Clockify videos from one video to another, so you definitely find it more easier to check. So next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to sign up on Clockify and also look into all the product features, just like I said earlier, like the timekeeping, planning, attendance, reporting, budgeting, payrolls. They also have different industries for freelancers, agency, lawyers, startup, constructions, accountant, consultant, developer. So like I said earlier as well, like they have a free plan. The software is actually free, but for you to enjoy all the features that Clockify actually have, so you upgrade to the pro plan or the enterprise, then you can actually see how it works. And also this is the pricing page right here, which of course if you want to upgrade your account, you can actually do that. So you can see right here. So the standard plan is around $6, the pro plan is around $8, and the enterprise is $12. And if you also want the best value from the Clockify, which was powered by cake.com, you can see the Cake Bundle Productivity Suite, so that is $13 per month. And if you want to go for the yearly plan, I think there will definitely be a discount that you can actually enjoy if you are going for the cake plan. So they also have a basic plan, which is also $4 thereabout per month. And if okay, the $4 is if you are paying for a yearly plan, but if you are paying for the monthly plan, that will be $5. And for the free plan, I said earlier on, this is $0 forever, and you have access to unlimited users, unlimited tracking, time tracker, timesheet, chaos, auto tracker, calendar, mobile and desktop app, Pomodoro timer, idle detection and reminder, tracking, integration, team activities, report, export and share data, then billable rates. But then in this video I'll be using the free version, which of course I don't have to pay any money before I can actually use the features. So you can also check on the pricing page right here, so you know what you're going to be benefiting if you use the free plan or the basic plan, standard, pro, or enterprise. So everything was stated on the pricing page right here, which of course I'll advise you to go into and check so you can see which one will work for you. But then if you want to get started with the free plan, you can also do that. And as time goes on, if you decide maybe you want to upgrade your account, then you can definitely do that without any issue. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, okay, so they also have some frequently asked questions, which of course you might be very much interested in, so you can check them out and see if they already provided an answer to your question that you have in mind. But aside from that, I'm gonna be signing up on this website. So the next thing I'm gonna be doing is to sign up for free on the top right here. Alright, so I'm signing up on the platform. So I'll be using my Gmail account to sign up, but then the Gmail option is disabled, which means I think I have to input my, okay, so it's now enabled because I already agreed to cake.com terms of use. So I'll click on continue with Google, then I'm gonna connect my email right here, then click on continue. And if you don't want to use any of your Gmail, then you can sign up directly by using any of your email on the platform. It's quite very simple. So right here you can see, so there is an email received from the platform whereby I have to confirm the email. You can see right here, email update. So inside the dashboard right here, you can also see time tracker, calendar. Under the analyst, then you have dashboard, we have report, and under the manage we have project, we have team, we have client, we have tags, then scrolling down we have timesheet, kiosk. Then I think this schedule is disabled because I'm actually on the free version of the Clockify platform. So you can also request for a demo. You can see demo at the top right here. So if I click on the demo, then I'm gonna see the inside and how it works. So right here, let me cancel this. All right, so you can see right here, what are you working on? So you can see if you're working on a project, then you can also click on this plus sign right here to find or to add different kind of project. So right here, you can say I'm working on a project. So sorry, working on a project, then click on plus or click on project or click on start. Sorry. So you can also input font here. You can also input a tag right here. You can also click on start. So if you're working on the project, you can actually click on start. So this will tell you how many minutes or hours you actually use on that particular project. So this will, you can also minimize from this particular page to another page to keep on and the time will keep on working. So I can click on stop right here, and then it will add to my timesheet. So you can see this is my timesheet, and I spent 20 seconds on this project. I can see right here. You can also edit, bulk edit, if you want to edit the title of this project, right? So you can also click on plus sign to add another project. You can see create new project, and you can also create a new project on this top right here. So the more projects you create, you will definitely be seeing them on this tax section right here. And if you're working on the project on this particular section as well, you can also add a project that you're already working on this page. So if you click on create new project, then click on project name. Let's say must be solution, for example. Then select client. You have to add your client on this particular section. So you add your client name, then you add a template. So based on the fact that I'm running a free account, I guess I will not be able to add a template. A template is not included on the free version. You can also add a color. So you can see add a client's name. So let me see, I think I have to add a client manually before I can be able to select or put in a client. So you can see right here, you can also archive it. You can also set a template, but due to the fact that I'm running a free account, I can't set up any template. So I already click on the project. So you can see access, task, forecast, note, settings. So you can see all these features right here. So there is a lot of section where you can actually navigate from one section to another on the Clockify software. And also you can download the app to your phone or to your PC. It's very simple. So I guess there is one section where you can download the app. Alright, so this is 20 seconds of the timing that I already did. So I think this should work for the app. Ready? Okay, you can see ready to install. Ready to install. There's one section where you can actually download and install the app. Okay, this is the dashboard section where you see all your progress. You also see the reports right here. You see the project, you see your team. So you can add a team right here. All right, you can add your team right here. Add a new member. You can see I'm the owner of this project. Then you can add a client right here. You can add your client. So type in your client's name, then click on add. So you can see right here, this is a client, then click on add. So this is a client right here. So it's quite simple as that, but due to the fact that I'm running a free account, I will be limited to some certain features on the Clockify software. So in the next video, I'm going to be walking you through some section by section features and how you can actually make use of them. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below. Thank you.